In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Zendrop subscription from Shopify, step by step. First, sign in to your Shopify admin from a web browser. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the main home view of your store's admin. If you landed somewhere else, click Home in the left sidebar so you're starting from the dashboard. From here, we're going to the area that manages your apps. Look to the left sidebar and click Apps. Depending on your layout, you may briefly see an overview. If you don't see the option you need right away, click the Settings gear at the bottom left of the screen. Inside Settings, open Apps and Sales Channels. This takes you to the full list of apps installed on your store, which is where you'll remove Zendrop. In the Apps and Sales Channels list, find Zendrop. If you have a lot of apps, use the search field at the top or scroll until you spot it. When you see Zendrop, open its options and choose Uninstall. Shopify will show a quick feedback window. Here you can select all reasons that apply to why you're removing the app. This step is optional and only helps the developer with feedback. It won't change the outcome. After you've selected the applicable reasons, confirm by clicking Uninstall again. A few quick notes on what this does. Uninstalling the app immediately removes its access to your store and stops future charges through Shopify's app billing for Zendrop. Any charges already issued remain on your current invoice, and prorating is handled according to Shopify's policies. After the uninstall, Zendrop should disappear from your installed apps list. Before you remove the app, it's a good idea to check for any in-progress orders or fulfillments that rely on Zendrop. Uninstalling will stop it from syncing products, orders, or tracking updates. If you want a reference for later, consider taking a quick screenshot of your key settings or product mappings before you proceed. If you change your mind in the future, you can reinstall Zendrop from the Shopify App Store and set it up again. If you don't see the uninstall option, make sure you're viewing Zendrop from Settings under Apps and Sales Channels rather than inside the app interface, and confirm your account has permission to manage apps. A quick page refresh or trying a different browser can also help if buttons aren't appearing. After confirming the uninstall, watch for a confirmation message in Shopify and check the email associated with your store for